Hello everyone and welcome back to another tattoo pen review. In this video I'll review a rotary tattoo pen machine with colorless motor from Wormhole, which is called grenade tattoo pen because of its shape. Despite its small size, the machine weighs 150 grams. It has a 3.5mm stroke and it works up to 12 volts, but the usual working voltage is between 6 and 8 volts. The only thing I find it negative is the adjustment of the needle depth. It turns really hard, and another problem is turning it after wrapping the machine. The space for grip is quite small and I find it difficult to turn it, especially when I switch the cartridges a lot. In the box there is also an RCA cable, which is quite thin and I believe after several uses will break down. For that I recommend buying a quality one from the start to avoid the problem of breaking down in the middle of your work. It comes in two colors, red and gold, but only as a small rim. The rest of the machine is black. I find it quite good for black and grey, and it worked without any problems with several different cartridges. I like that the machine is very powerful. I only work at 7 volts for shading. I like the shape and how it feels in the hand. The only downside is that I got used to wireless machines and the RCA cable feels as an inconvenient, but it's all about preferences. The machine costs $160 and it's perfect for a budget tattoo machine which delivers more than its price. If you don't want to spend much on a machine but still want a decent one, this machine is more than enough to do its job. Thanks for sticking till the end. See you next time for another tattoo machine video review. Bye.